everyone, welcome back to another interesting, huge, humongous mixed bag haul. Today I'm going to be talking about so many random stuff which I happen to pick up, a lot of new launches, a lot of new things, and yes, everything will be linked and listed in my description. And without any further ado and making this intro any longer, let's get started. So I wanted to keep the intro small and sweet, reason being my last haul video tend to be 40-minute long. I really don't want to give you that 40-minute long video. So I'm just going to talk really quickly because you will be seeing dedicated reviews in later future. So I am just going to talk about the products which I happen to pick. First is something I picked up from Goodbug, something I've already talked about in my video called 5 Things I'm Obsessed With. I've talked about this product at length. Is the Goodbug Daily Probiotic Metabolically Lean, something I use daily. First thing in the morning I consume is this. So it is basically for your weight management. So I have been using this product over 6 months now and I'm absolutely loving the results of it, and I will continue using it. So for those reasons I picked up this. So I picked up like 3 months a stock because there was a good offer going during Holi. So you can, Holi or after Holi, I don't remember, because apparently I placed 2 different orders. So yes, this is something I restocked on. The next thing which I picked up, and this is something new which I have already consumed over a month now, is the Goodbug Daily Probiotic Good Down There Support Vaginal Health. This is for women's only strictly. So there have been some issues with me, so I thought let me try this. I know what works on me, but then I wanted to shift to something more easy and something much milder. So this is something which I've been using, and frankly speaking, after using Goodbug products, I have realized that my skin, my hair, everything has improved drastically. So yeah, this also is working really fine. So I will talk about the other product in some other video at length after using it some more time, because I don't want to just suggest you a health product by not even using for 3 months. So stay tuned, I will talk about that product at length. And the next product which I again happen to pick up and I've just started using it is the Goodbug Daily Probiotic Metabolic Fiber Boost. So this product is to reduce food cravings, promotes weight management, support blood sugar management, and nourish gut microbes. So the reason of me getting this product was I have been told that I have to maintain my sugar levels because in between it was extremely high, and to basically I introduced this product to basically have a control over my cravings. I generally don't have a lot of craving, but suddenly there are a few days suddenly I want to eat everything. So this one I have started for those reasons, so just to feel a little fuller without consuming a lot of random stuff. So still using it. I would not say go ahead and buy it as of now, because at least मुझे एक डब्बा पूरा यूज करने दो and then I'll talk about it. So I picked up 2 boxes, one is in my kitchen and one I'm holding. So let's see how it works, because I bought this product plainly because I have a good experience with Goodbug. So I was like, maybe this will also work. So let me try a little more time and then I will definitely give you my experience and my review. Moving on to another something which I stocked up on, but this is something a different brand. I think I showed you this in some odd video 1.5 years back. Is the Kamesi Sensitive Sanitary Pad 100% rash free. So I picked up the size, I don't know, it has 5L and 5XL. So I picked up a pack of like 10 pads. So they come into this kind of a packaging. The only reason I picked up was that they are really comfortable. They're not very plasticky. They do not make you feel irritated. They do not give you any rash. For those reasons I picked up. So if you're looking for a very comfortable sanitary napkin for yourself, Kamesi is one of those brands. But I'll tell you, if I have to really suggest you something, just go ahead and buy it and you will be like wowed by it, is the Liga sanitary pad. So I was about to pick up the Liga pads, it's just that it was out of stock, so I couldn't pick up. So in urgency I picked up the Kamesi one. So after Liga, if I have to suggest anything, it has to be now Kamesi. I love Clovia pads as well, but over the time I realized Clovia has changed the pad design and everything, which gets a little uncomfortable. But that was like one of those pads which I used over 3 years. But these are also really good. So do let me know how summers are treating you in your city, because Delhi is extremely hot. It's burning. And let's move on to the next product. I really don't want to make this video long. So next up I picked up the Face Shop Foot Peeling Mask, which I've used in the past as well. सो बेसिकली ये प्रोडक्ट करता क्या है, आपको 90 मिनट्स के लिए इसको पहन के रखना है. यू गेट 2 socks inside, the plastic ones. You put a solution, you dip your legs in it, you wrap it and you keep it for 90 minutes to 120 minutes, and then you just wash your feet and they're off. Just let it rest for another 6 to 7 days, and after that you will start the peeling happen by itself. One thing which you should not do is scrub your legs in during these 5 to 6 days after application of this one, or else आपको results नहीं मिलेंगे. Yes, for those reasons I picked up this thing because summers में मेरे पैरों की हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो जाती है, and for those reasons I was like I need to do this at least once. So yes, I will be doing it maybe tomorrow or day after, and I'll be sorted. Next up, a product which is all over the place and something which you should grab. I've done a complete dedicated review on this product, so if you haven't seen the review, consider watching it. Is the Maybelline 30-hour Lumi Matte Foundation. It's a beautiful foundation. Today also I'm wearing it onto my skin, and the only reason I wear it is like I don't have to touch up. I don't have to do that wiping of my sweat and sebum secretion onto the skin. This foundation is like a spot-on foundation. The formula is just wow. It just makes you feel so comfortable. So yes, for those reasons I picked up this foundation. Not for those reasons, but I really wanted to try the formula, how it is, how different it is, and why it is so trending and so viral. So now I know it, and if you want to know a little more on this foundation and everything, check out the review video. So if you have been watching me, you know that I love body washes. So M Caffeine had a beautiful offer, buy one get one, and I happened to pick up 2 body washes. I've still not used it, so I can't comment, but I've read good reviews on them. Is the M Caffeine Coconut Cream Body Wash with coconut. This one I plainly bought for my son because बच्चों की skin बहुत gentle होती है, and ingredients like coconut, oat milk will definitely add up to the moisturizing part, as well as थोड़ा exfoliation भी हो जाता है skin का. इसमें कोई exfoliating particles नहीं है. It's a plain body wash. And the second one I picked up was the Blueberry Blast Body Wash. इसके काफ़ी अच्छे reviews देखे हैं मैंने. So for those reasons I picked up these 2. Let me use it and I'll update you soon. So sometime back I happened to ask you all, should I be trying Hyphen products? A lot of you said yes, you must, they are really good and all. So I went a little crazy and bought a lot of Hyphen products, and one of them I've already talked in an earlier video of mine, but I never got a chance to show you all of these products. So these are the Hyphen products I picked up. Yes, I bought them in a good offer, and I picked up the, okay, let me just get rid of the boxes and let's just quickly talk about the products directly. So first up I picked up the Oil Control Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, something I'm already using, loving, and this is a beautiful cleanser, I must tell you. If you are someone who's looking for a gentle yet working cleanser which can really give you a nice skin, squeaky clean skin without drying it out, definitely try this one. It's beautiful. I've been thoroughly enjoying it. Next up I happen to pick up the Barrier Care Cream. This is for oily skin. This has ceramide and peptides. The only reason I picked up this has ceramide and peptides, and I feel for my aging skin now I have to really advance a little bit of my skincare products. So I have been looking out for products which has ceramide specifically, not peptides, but this has both. So I picked up this as well. I've just used it like a week, so I cannot really comment, but so far it's going really well, and I can see some little bit of changes onto my skin. So yes, Hyphen products have really amazed me for some reason, and the next product which I'm going to show you is definitely going to amaze you, and something which I feel if you are someone who wants to introduce retinol, and or I would not say introduce, I would say someone who wants to buy another retinol moisturizer or a serum and you're looking for something really working, this is it. This is the Hyphen 0.5% Retinol Reset Serum, and I'll tell you, the name says Reset Serum. It is going to reset everything onto your skin. Now one thing, the few things I'll quickly mention, I will do a complete review. If you buy this product after watching this video, do not apply this product every single day. Strictly no. Use it alternative day, and thereafter use it only twice a week. You do not need this product every single day, or else you may start to feel a little drying. Now the one thing which you will see when you start using this product, that your skin will start to peel off by itself. This is something which I've seen in my skin, and the whole purpose of this serum is basically give you a more revived and renewed skin, which you will have. And mark my words, you will get like 1,000 compliments. You do not need makeup. You will have like the best corrected skin of your life. I'm loving this serum. I will definitely repurchase it. I think I'm already halfway through to the serum because I had very minimalist expectation and I was really scared also because retinol does not support everyone. Now one thing, if you're a combination oily skin just like me, it's going to work like magic. But if you are a dry skin, just use it twice a week. Do not overuse this product. It's going to dry out your skin more, or maybe you will just have a little bit of irritation onto the skin. So retinol is something which you should not be using daily. Wait for my complete review. I'll talk about this product. But this is something which you should try if you haven't tried a retinol serum. And Hyphen has definitely done an amazing and outstanding job. And this is how you make the haul videos longer, when you talk at length about a product. And lastly, I picked up this vitamin E infused peptide lip balm in the shade peach. They have written peach, but it does not have any shade whatsoever. The one thing I really like about this balm was that the applicator, you see it's a very different applicator. It's a nice bend to it. It applies really nicely. The only one thing which I do not like about this lip balm, it has a very pungent, sweet taste to it. Pungent, for me it's pungent. But if you don't mind a pungent sweet taste, it's fine. But अगर ज़्यादा हो जाता है lip balm तो वो ज़्यादा feel होता है आपको, then you don't like it. So you go very light handed with the lip balm, and I'll tell you, if you have dry cracked lips, apply this. You will see like a nice hydrated lip, as well as it really heals the lip. So yes, I've been loving this lip balm. Again, something which I will definitely repurchase in future. And since I was talking about a lip balm, let me show you another lip balm I picked up. Was the Dot & Key Gloss Bomb Lip Balm Vitamin C plus E with SPF 30. Now frankly speaking, why did I buy lip balms? Because all of my lip balms are over and one of the lip balm got expired, so I had to get rid of everything. And I wanted to buy really something well done and something which can give me a little more than just glossy and a hydrating lip. So I have seen a lot of good reviews on this lip balm as well. The packaging has changed from earlier. So earlier it was a plain tube and you just have to remove it with your finger and apply. Now they have given you this, so you can apply directly. Now something I'm loving, again, it's very gentle, बहुत अच्छा है. I like the sweetness on this one compared to the Hyphen one. But both of the lip balms give me a nice amount of hydration and really work onto my cracked lips, because I don't know, something has really gone wrong in Delhi weather, because skin tends to suddenly gets very dry, lips tend to dry a lot suddenly. So these lip balms are really working well. So yes, I picked up something again in lip balm. And apart from lip balm, a lot of M caffeine happens. So I'm going to show you 3 M caffeine products. Again, something I picked up in a good offer. Now let's talk about the sunscreen which I've been wearing every single day, and something I wear it, like today also I wore it underneath my makeup, is this M Caffeine Daily Glow Green Tea Sunscreen with the hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, and it is SPF 50 PA4+. I have a habit of saying triple plus. And you get 50 ml of product, and this sunscreen is going to cost you $3.99. So this is how the sunscreen is. I really like the formula on the sunscreen. I'll quickly give you a demo as well. So this is how the sunscreen is, and you just do this, and there you have the sunscreen. You see how nicely it blended. And don't go with the ingredient hyaluronic acid on this one, because it is there but it does not show up onto the skin, and it is super light sunscreen. So I'm definitely loving, and I'm so intrigued by so many brands I've tried in the past and now I'm trying. And brands have really, you know, upcame their sunscreen. Reason being, earlier क्या होता था, white cast हो जाएगा, oily हो जाएगी skin, creasy हो जाएगी, but formula like this will definitely make you wear a sunscreen. And M Caffeine definitely doing a wonderful job on their skincare products as well as makeup. Now next up, I picked up another one. This one I picked up plainly because I was using their eye product and I absolutely love the eye product. So this is the M Caffeine Hydra Repair Kombucha. I really don't, Kabuka tea. I really don't know the pronunciation. It is again with ceramide and hyaluronic acid, and you get 50 PA4+. And again, this is something for all skin type. All of these sunscreens are all skin type, and this is how the product is. And again, something I've used it only twice because I'm already using a lot of different sunscreen. Again, something will just melt into the skin. The one thing which really made me buy this particular one was the first ingredient. It has the Kabuka tea. I really like that ingredient for some reason, because that ingredient is also there in 82E products, and I realized this ingredient works beautifully onto my skin type. So this is how the sunscreen is, and you see there is no white cast or it does not look oily. So yes, if you are interested in a good sunscreen, then you can try this one. This is also well done. And the product which really made me buy that sunscreen was this one, M Caffeine Insta Bright. I think it is Kombucha tea under eye cream with SPF 30 PA4+ with vitamin C and ferulic acid, which reduce hyperpigmentation and adds that instant glow. Now the only reason I picked up this product was the hyperpigmentation, which I have it onto my lids, not underneath my eye. And I'll give you a demo of this product. This is how the product comes. It has a nice tinge. The packaging का color जो है वही products का color है, and you just have to blend. See, it blends nicely into the skin. So this product is definitely going to work onto your hyperpigmentation. I have seen a remarkable change onto my lid shade. Like बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सटेंसिवली डार्क दिखते हैं मेरे लिड्स कंपेयर टू माई अंडर आई और माई फेस ऑल टुगेदर. सो दिस हैज़ डेफिनेटली लाइटेंड इट अप. थोड़ा मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा सा शेड लाइट हुआ है. And now when I put my shadows, they look more clearer. I really don't need a base to basically put a shade. So this really works. Even under eye में बहुत अच्छा work करेगा ये. Even if you have tired eyes, for that matter, if you have under eye issue, if you have wrinkles, ये लगाना शुरू करो, you will definitely see a change. So I have been using this product plainly for that hyperpigmentation, nothing else, and this definitely works on that hyperpigmentation. So वही same reason था I picked up the sunscreen, because sunscreen can also do so, because it has certain ingredients which this product has. So yes, all the three products which I happen to show you from M Caffeine, they are just made to perfection. I will soon be doing a complete dedicated review with a demo as well. So hang in there if you are still a little skeptical. Abhi aapko lena nahi hai because you're not sure. Wait for the review. I'll talk about these products at length. Moving on in this video and talking about some interesting product which I was eyeing from the brand Verified. So a lot of you requested me to get this product, and I finally picked it up, and I've already been using this product. Is the Verified Step 0 Anti-Pollution Blurring and Hydrating Primer with SPF 25 PA++. Sorry, double plus. See, I told you I have a habit of saying triple plus for some reason. And there was this offer, buy one get one. उस offer में मैंने ये product लिया है. And this is how the product would come. Very nice, interesting bottle packaging. I really like the packaging, but I feel 1000 से ऊपर का है ये primer. It is for $12.99, and the size is pretty less, but primer है, ज़्यादा use नहीं होता तो चलेगा. So I've been using it. Let me use it a little more, and then I'll talk about this product in some other video. So yes, finally we have the Verified primer into my vanity, something most requested, because I do so many different reviews. A lot of you were like, why are you not trying this one? So yes, here I have it. So you all must be wondering what is the time. It is 9:30 in the morning, and that is why you could hear the train going by, passing by. Yes, a lot of train runs in the morning here, even in evening times. So कभी-कभी बीच में आपको train sound आ जाती है. Excuse me and sorry for that. I can't do anything about it because my house is located in such a manner wherein I cannot avoid this sound in any of my rooms. Let's move on to the next product which I happen to pick up from Verified, and it is a repurchase. Is the Verified, what do you call this? IRL Paris Filter Airbrush Powder. Something I repurchased because जो मेरा था ना वो damage हो गया था, and I absolutely love the formula here. So here I have the new one. I've still not started using it. I don't know why. Maybe because जब मैंने ये सब खरीदा ना, I just put it in this basket, and only the thing which I try is mostly the base products which are into liquid format, or something which is new. This is something which I have talked about already onto my channel. I have reviewed this product, so I had to get back to this one because this is something different out of the box and no brand has done it. So yes, for those reasons I had to repurchase it because I was missing this product. So Verified has some amazing products and that is one of them. And since I was buying few odd things from Verified, I thought why not try a few more brushes by them, because I realized they have launched quite a few brushes and these 3 brushes really caught my eye. So I have like one brush by them. I think it's brush number 1. So I picked up this brush number 6. It's more of a concealer brush. I would call it as a concealer brush. The next one is a complete foundation brush. You see that? I have something like this by Rufa Beauty. And then next up we have the number 4 brush. Again, something for basically precise packing of powder. You can do your bronzer as well with this. So yes, for those reasons I picked up these 3 brushes. So if you haven't checked out my brush video, consider checking that video out, because there I've talked about very limited face and eye brushes for starters, or something you can buy straight away without basically using your brains over it and getting confused. So check out that video, that will help you a lot. So I did happen to stock up on my makeup removing wipes. So I lastly picked up the Swiss Beauty one, which I did not like. Not recommend. Do not buy the Swiss Beauty makeup removing wipes. They are very soapy. They do not even remove a basic lipstick from my lips. So that was like a complete waste. It was only for 150 rupees, but not something to be bought. So ignore those wipes altogether. Next up, I picked up this Color Bar On To Go makeup removing wipe, something which I've used in the past so much. So it is little affordable compared to the simple ones, as well as it had some discount. So I picked up this for my lip swatches. And Nykaa had some offers, so I happened to receive this as a free gift. I'm going to show you some more products which I picked up from Nykaa. So this is the Absolute Repair hair mask by L'Oreal. It's a pretty huge tub of being scent free. So I'm super excited to use this one as well, because this is something which I've used in the past and I absolutely love it. So thank you Nykaa for sending such a beautiful free gift. So what else did I buy from Nykaa was the 3 lipstick by Revlon. So packaging dekh ke to aapko pata chali gaya hoga. But let's talk about something different. This is the what do you call them? These are the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in the shade Superstar Brown. The matte formula 411 shade hai naam. I've worn this lipstick once only, and this is how the lipstick is. You can relate with me and the shade. I love such shades. So yes, this is something beautiful. I really like the formula as well. I'll do a compiled video where I talk about some random lipsticks which I picked up. I cannot do a dedicated review on that lipstick. Next up, I picked up these 2 shades. So I picked up a shade. These lipsticks are called as Color Stay Suede Ink Lipstick, and they are priced at 949 rupees. The one shade I picked up was No Rules, and I have already worn this lipstick a lot of times already. This is the shade No Rules. Absolutely love the formula, but it is pretty different and a lot of you may not like it, may love it. So I'll talk about it at length. And the other shade which I picked up was Power Trip, and again something which I love. So this is the shade Power Trip. So all the 3 shades are beautiful and the formula is different from each other. So these are little expensive ones. That one was a little much more discounted, and by itself also it is not very expensive. So yes, let me do a complete dedicated review in some other speed review video, so that before you buy a shade for yourself, you should at least know what the formula is. Getting on to another set of lipsticks which I happen to pick up from the brand M Caffeine, the Cocoa Kiss Creamy Matte Lipsticks. If you haven't checked out the review and a swatch video, what are you waiting for? Check the complete review so that you know a little more on these lipsticks and the shades. So one shade I'm wearing onto my lips is, out of these, is the Rose Martini shade. So yes, a lot of you I know will come back and ask me which is that shade you were wearing. So it's Rose Martini by M Caffeine. Now, frankly speaking, I'm really happy that I picked up these. They are really beautiful, well done. Let me just quickly open one and show you how it is. This is how it is, and I'm just going to quickly give you a hand swatch. This is the shade. So you have like 6 beautiful nude shades to choose here. You can actually pick all the 6. So yes, something which I am thoroughly enjoying, but do check out the complete swatch video so that you can grab some beautiful shades for yourself. And now we are down to the last two products. Again, lipsticks which I happen to pick up from Just Herbs. So you have already seen a complete review and a swatch video, I'm assuming. If you haven't, check it out. So these are the new lip inks by Just Herbs, and I must tell you, all the 4 shades I'm holding, they are beautiful and I love the formula. These are so different from any other lipstick I have and very much comparable and something more better than what I have into lip ink formats by various different brands, and this is something really well done. I'm just going to quickly pick up a shade and swatch it for you. You will have such nice creamy and a glossy lip going on when you put these lipsticks, and this is how it looks. Very richly pigmented hai ye, and the shade I swatched for you was Winter Plum. Again, something well done by Just Herbs. Do check out the review and a swatch video. And lastly, I picked up something which I have seen so many people talking so good about, and being a blush lover, I did not hesitate, and brand had an amazing offer, so I just went ahead and picked up this Rufa Beauty liquid blush in the shade Over the Moon, and it says tinted. So this is how it comes, and I just paid 599 rupees as much as I remember, and they are priced at 899 rupees. So I clearly saved 400 rupees there. And here you have, sorry, 300 rupees. So here you have the blush. The blush I have today onto my skin is this one only. OMG hai ye blush. Like, I've been wearing this from the time I've got it. It's a beautiful blush, a beautiful packaging. I really like the packaging on this one. And quickly giving you a hand swatch, a little product goes a long way. So this is how the blush looks, and I'll tell you, this is a shade which will complement almost every single one of you. Light to medium, medium to tan, and deep pe bhi ye jayega. You just have to build up the product. So you can see I'm wearing it onto my skin, and one thing which I would just clear it up, it's not a glossy format, it's a liquid blush into a matte format. So blending अच्छी मिल जाती है आपको. Once the blending is done, you will see a matte blush going on, and the blush does not go anywhere during the day. It just stays on. So yes, I'm happy that I did this purchase. Soon I will be testing out these products in some more videos, so you will know a little more about this. But yes, I'm super excited about this one as well. And there you saw a bunch of new launches, new products by various different brands. Soon I will be doing another haul video where I'll talk about the products which I did not happen to show you today, like some things which I happen to pick up from random websites. Makeup is not the only thing which I buy jewelries also, I buy some home care products also. So I'll talk about those products in some other haul video, maybe the next haul video. But I hope you loved watching today's one. I hope this video did not go so long. Yeah, I will come to know only when I edit it, but I'm hoping it's not 40-minute long. And if you have stuck by till now, thank you so much for watching this video. Consider giving a thumbs up if you really loved watching. Follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel at @bronzinggeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!